Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and this is my new upload, eating up with Dame. And this time we went to China Buffet. This is one of those brand new Chinese restaurant around in Arlington. It's across Highlands, and this is one of those places that I go to lately a lot because they have a different kind of variety of food and choices and soup and all those things. And right now they're very attentive about it, and they have a lot of employees, so this is really good. So yeah, and it's also clean, especially when the restaurant is brand new. So that's the reason why I like coming over here. I appreciate you guys coming, and if you do want to come over and see, all sorts of different food. As you can see, everything is fresh. And my favorite here is the bar for sushi. They have such a fresh sushi. I love their sushi, and of course the Mongolian and all that stuff. But there's a lot of stuff like a seafood section. I love seafood. Normally when I go to the restaurant, Chinese restaurant, I just eat seafood a lot. I don't really eat lots of meat. So that's my favorite, and hopefully guys, you guys try and visit it, and you'll enjoy it. Price is reasonable, and the only thing is, because it's brand new, there's a lot of people coming over, and you have to wait for in the line sometimes. But during weekdays it's okay, but in the weekend it's really busy. You just have to come in early ahead of time with everybody. But of course, everybody has church, so everybody comes all at the same time. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later in my next upload with Eating Out with Dame. See you guys later. Enjoy, and please like and subscribe if you like this video, and leave a message, and I'll connect with you guys. Bye.
Pulled pork. I want some fried rice. Tayo. Kuha tayo ng green beans. Green beans is healthy for you. Talaga naman, ayun, masarap yun. Pero ito, subukan natin ito. Okay. Diba? Ayun. Find out what kind of sushi they have. Look at the sushi. Diba? Tapos ito pa. Kain kayo ng Mongolian. You can do Mongolians right there. This is good. I want to get some soup. I want my soup. Yan ang aking pagkain. Ayan yung Mongolian nila. Ayan. O, diba? Ito yung sushi. Fresh lagi ang sushi nila. Oh, my favorite. That's my favorite right there. Oh, look at that. Ayan. O, diba? Masarap yan. Masarap yung sushi. Pero, let's get, I want some soup. Soup. Ang hinahanap ko ay soup. I want something else. I think I'll get this one. Ayan yung soup nila. Sour soup, also the different soup. I want this one. ito. Yan natin ito na. Yung manok nila. Ito na.
Okay.
This one. Oh, sorry. Ayan. There's no more tama. Let's have a couple of this. We'll come back the rest later. Yung mga pagkain na. We're done. Done tayo. Ito yung aking soup. Ay! I need a spoon. Kaya pala ako bumalik dito. Wala akong spoon. I need some spoon. Ayan. Ayan na guys. Kakain kayo. Hindi na kayo. Kumain kayo ng sushi. Sushi, sushi, sushi. This is the sushi bar they have. Here. O, diba? Masarap siya. At ito naman ang Mongolian Haria. Iba-iba ang ulam.